Hey guys, today's video is sponsored by Reboot. If you've ever come across any issues with your iOS device, rather you're constantly stuck on an Apple logo, a reboot loop, black screen, just stuck, Reboot offers a standard repair which fixes up to 150 iOS issues with no data loss. If you have more serious problems, you have the deep repair, which allows you to restore your device back to factory working order, and you can enter and exit recovery mode with one single click. So check out Reboot. Links will be in the description down below. Hey guys, myself here, welcome back to the channel, and as expected, Apple today released another beta for iOS 15.1. Today, Apple released iOS 15.1 Developer Beta 3. Now, public beta testers, as always, you'll most likely see this populate for you within the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, of course, in this video, we're going to go over everything that's new in iOS 15.1 Developer Beta 3. As always, if you're excited for the latest iOS updates, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Now, aside from iOS 15.1 Developer Beta 3, today Apple also updated macOS. Monterey Beta 9 is now available for the Mac. We also have iPadOS 15. Developer Beta 3 is now out for iPad as well. watchOS 8.1 Beta 3 has been released. And of course, tvOS 15.1 Beta 3 has now been released. Now, this software brings one major new feature, but before we get to some of the latest details, this software is approximately 1 gig of a download. Now, keep in mind, this is not going to be removing 1 gig from your iPhone storage. This is simply overwriting a particular category on iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max, which we'll get to in just a few seconds here. Let's take a look here at the build number quickly. So we're going to head on over here into General. We're going to go into the About section here, and there it is. 15.1's latest build number is going to be 19B5060D. Now, in terms of betas and release dates, we can still anticipate another 2, maybe 3 betas before the official release with the RC, and then we might see an official release toward mid to late October for 15.1. We'll have to wait and see for that. Now, yesterday, Apple also released a major update for AirPods, bringing the AirTags features pretty much to AirPods. So now you have the notified when left behind, the separation alerts. You can actually find your AirPods within the Find My network inside of the Find My application, just like you can with an AirTag. So even if your AirPods Pro are inside of the case, or your AirPods Max are put away, you can actually find them, play a sound. Everything you can do with an AirTag, you can now do in the Find My applications for AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, and AirPods second generation, which is super cool. Notified when left behind has been enabled. There's additional features for accessibilities as well. We have the headphone audio customization options. We have right there the audiogram options and custom transparency mode options available. As you can see right here, you can add the audiogram options to the health application as well. So awesome accessibility feature. And conversation boost has been taken out of beta for AirPods Pro. So if you're using AirPods Pro, you now have the conversation boost. And here is how you enable conversation boost on your device, on your AirPods Pro, that is, if you updated your AirPods to the latest AirPods update. Links will be in the description for my video yesterday on how to update. But one of the biggest features coming with iOS 15.1 is ProRes video for iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. And here it is. It is finally here in beta. There it is on the top left corner. We can tap here. It gives us the notification that it does run on 30 frames at 4K. So we have to change that up top here to 30 frames or 24. There we go. And now we can enable the ProRes option. And there we go. It tells us that we have a maximum time of 28 minutes of capturing. This is going to be game changing here for iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. And if we head on over into settings here, if we find the camera extension on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, again, this is for 13 Pro as well, and we go to format options here, we have the new toggle where we can enable or disable Apple ProRes video capture, and we have the description available there, as you can see. Again, just a ton of updates happening today with the iPhone 13 Pros, the AirPods. Apple has added new features. Apple is also working on releasing the legacy contact feature soon here, so we might see that here within the next couple of weeks, within the next couple of betas. Now, keep in mind, Apple has also re-enabled SharePlay for FaceTime with this one, Also, COVID-19 record has now been added to the wallet for particular states here in the United States. There's a minor bug that I've encountered within the camera. Sometimes it gets fuzzy or blurry, but that's just something minor. I haven't noticed any additional new bugs within the software, and we're still waiting for the expansion of driver's license. Also, the app privacy feature, we still haven't gotten that just yet. So if we go to privacy here and we go to record app activity, we don't have that updated just yet. We can expect that here within the next beta, but we have the Apple ProRes video capturing, which is super awesome. I'll be testing that feature obviously here on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Aside from that, of course, make sure to stay tuned for my follow-up video where I go over additional details within the software. I talk about the performance, the battery, the stability, any changes that I may come across or additional changes within the follow-up video here in the next couple of days. Thank you for watching this quick update, guys. iOS 15.1 Beta 3 is out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.